Hello everybody, this is Levi,
This is Samuel.
and this is our research project. These are the four tutorial sets that we used. There's one for Perforce, and we did set up a working Perforce server, which you'll see in a second. We did, however, have to switch to GitHub later on for connection issues. This is the tutorial we used for that. This is the main set of tutorials we used for our actual research
hmm
project, and these videos were really informative of us, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Shout out to Ryan Laley, he was really helpful.
Yeah, he's a beast.
Yes, and Markham 3D gave us a little sound cues tutorials. You'll see we do have sound cues blueprinted into our project, and these
Yep.
are the tutorials. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly pull up Perforce here. As you can see, there's a server user. You hit OK, open the connection up, and this is my workspace right here. I uploaded a folder from my computer, and it has three different images and PDFs in it. There's two PDFs and one image. As you can see, they are working files. And if Sam connected to this, he could also take these down from the origin file in the cloud of Perforce server and use them to his liking. But Perforce is actually pretty tricky when it comes to actually connecting to people, and we had some issues, so we had to switch over to GitHub. And GitHub, as a bunch of you guys probably do know, have a bunch of changed files here and commit it to master, and then I push the origin, and it pushes it up to the origin file that we have on the GitHub server,
hmm
and
Then when it gets to my side, I just fetch the origin and then pull it, and then I can make whatever changes I need to.
right there. Really streamlined, really easy. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is actually enlarge the game here, and I'm going to play through the level one time, and Sam and I are going to commentate, and then after that we'll delve a bit deeper into how things are actually working coming together here.
Yep. So the red door here, as you can see, whenever he walks up to it, it will say that he cannot open it and that he needs the red key card, which is right over there. And he can actually pick it up and it disappears. And now that he
Yeah,
has it,
and I'm going to go ahead
he
and open the
can.
door here.
And there's a sound cue that Levi actually recorded himself.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
Oh yeah. There's the blue door, same thing. The blue message. Need the blue key card, which is floating over there beautifully. Can pick it up.
I'm going to walk back over here.
Sound cue, everything. Very nice.
Got the
Same thing for this door.
third and final door up in the top left. You need a green key card.
Yep. Do some platforming to get that card, and then bada boom. Door will open, sound cue plays. There's our sign and some nice flares.
There's our names,
Yours truly.
and they do work backwards as well. And that is our level. Okay, so now that you've seen the completed level with gameplay, we'll dive into how stuff works. So the texturing here, it's all pretty simple texturing. The wall textures I messed with a bit and made it look more stony. It originally was the brown rust that you can see here on the cubes, but I messed with it and made it look like stone. Um, Stairs and block here, as you can see, we have spotlights on the key cards here. They do rotate, and in the editor here, we'll just go and showcase this, and Sam and I will post actual screenshots of the blueprints, but you can see we have overlap all the way down to destroy actor, and of course the trigger box and all that comes with it, or collision box. We also added default in the details here, so for instance the red key card only works with the red door, and that is because the values are set to the same
Yeah.
as are the other colors.
And
Uh,
for the door, I modeled it in Maya. It didn't take too long, but what I did with the blueprints there is with the animation that we made with timelines, I put that into the blueprints so that whenever we use the key card to open it, it will slide into the right,
yes,
into the
right
wall.
there. And a little bit of gameplay aspect here. You can see what your objective. Blue door over here. Of course, the flickering lights are consistent with all three doors. Pick up this, of course, has the spotlight, and same thing. Is the only thing different with this key card and that key card are the values are set different so that it only opens up this door, and that one only opens up that
Yeah.
door. Here we have just a little bit of layout room, same spotlight, same key card stuff going on here, just with a green door, flickering light, beautiful door. You walk into here, and there's another trigger box here that sets off the particle effect up here with the sparks, and there is a sign that I 3D modeled in Maya to tell you that you did indeed complete the level. Okay, so what we're going to do here is actually showcase something that we didn't really get into during the gameplay aspect of everything. We did mess with sound cues in this level and blueprinting them in, as you can hear here. And yes, that is my voice that you hear there. I'm going to open these up, and Sam's going to tell you a little bit about it.
So down on the bottom where he presses the E key, I input it so that whenever the door it plays the animation, it also plays the audio cue while the door is opening.
Yep, right there. And we will post more screenshots on D2L so you guys can see all of this for in better light.